Start downloading only one language track. Many people pause in the analysis window when picking audio and subtitles, then walk away with a single language, messy captions, or the wrong default track.
Oh God, please, no! No!
In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you a simple and repeatable method to capture multiple audio languages and multiple subtitle languages. You'll also get a quick cheat sheet, so settings won't trick you up again. I will demonstrate with YouTube, then we'll verify the result in a real player, so your file behaves exactly the way you expect. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and why each choice matters. Open target video and wait for StreamFab's analysis window. Two choices here do most of the work. First, set the audio language on purpose. If there is more than one track, choose the exact language you want. On some YouTube videos, creators publish extra audio tracks, so you may see English, Spanish, or others. Don't leave the default in place and hope it's right. Second, decide how you want subtitles delivered. If you want a separate file you can edit or swap later, go to settings on the VIP services and set subtitles to extract SRT. If you prefer a single self-contained file, we'll embed the subs in a moment. Watch the differences between regular subtitles and CC. Closed captions. CC often includes non-speech information like sound effect and speaker tags. If you only want dialogue, select the regular subtitle track. Before you leave this window, scan the track list. Confirm the languages you need and deselect what you won't keep. This keeps the file lean, avoids confusion later, and makes verification much faster. You have two reliable ways to deliver subtitles and both are valid. External SRT creates one .srt file per language. That's perfect if you localize, trick teaming, or maintain different versions. It's also the easiest to troubleshoot and to hand off to collaborators. Embedding or remarks post subtitles inside the video container, that's ideal when sharing with non-technical viewers or moving the file across devices, because there's only one file to manage and it just works. Choose one approach for today's project and stick with it from start to finish. If you are unsure, start with external SRT. You can always remux later without touching the underlying video or audio streams. This lets you experiment safely and keep your master clean. For multiple audio tracks and multiple subtitle languages, MKV is the safest choice. It's designed to hold many streams, several audio tracks, several subtitle tracks, and even chapters without surprises. If you must deliver MP4, it can also carry multiple tracks, but behavior depends more on your Playback app and tool chain. If your audience uses a mix of devices and you want predictable results, choose MKV for the master. If distribution requires MP4, test the Playback app to make sure track switching is clear and reliable. One reality check for YouTube: not every video has extra audio languages. Creators decide whether to upload additional tracks. You will only see an audio menu with multiple languages and videos that actually include them. If you want to learn the detailed differences between MP4 and MKV, this video on my homepage that breaks them down. Verify before you deliver. Open the file in a reliable player like VLC or MKV, switch the audio track and confirm every language you selected is present, and that default makes sense. Toggle subtitles and check each language to make sure lines display as expected. If subtitles don't appear, turn them on manually. Some players keep them off by default. If a language you expected is missing, the original video likely didn't provide it, so pick a different example or recheck the source. If analysis fails or the track list looks wrong, update to the latest version and run the analysis again. That's it! 3 dependable moves to get this right every time. Choose the correct audio and subtitle tracks, package subtitles and external SRT or embed them, and verify in the player. I've placed a short cheat sheet in the description so you can copy the exact settings. Tell me in the comments which language pair and player you use most. Next time we'll cover more practical knowledges. Okay, see you in the next time.